Hello and welcome back to the Daily Eco. Today we're going to explore the properties of CHARD along with its benefits and contraindications. Properties of CHARD. CHARD has numerous properties, but 7 are particularly noteworthy. Number 1. It is hepatoprotective, which means it helps protect the liver. Number 2. It has antioxidant properties which can help prevent or delay the oxidation of certain molecules. Number 3. It is anti-tumor and can help fight cellular damage. Number 4. It is anti-diabetic, which means it can help reduce blood glucose levels. Number 5. It has laxative properties that can help with constipation. Number 6. It is an anti-inflammatory and can help fight chronic inflammation through phenolic acids. And finally, it is diuretic and can help those who suffer from hypertension, fluid retention, and oliguria. Benefits of CHARD. With its properties and nutritional components, there are numerous benefits of consuming CHARD, along with its delightful taste. For example, CHARD can be used to combat dandruff and nits, promote proper fetal development during pregnancy, and support the immune system proper functioning. CHARD can also treat anemia, improve sports performance, and prevent or treat diabetes. Additionally, CHARD can prevent osteoporosis, cataracts, and vision loss. Its high potassium content can help maintain balanced blood pressure and promote blood clotting due to its high vitamin K content. Furthermore, CHARD can increase the production of bile, aiding in digestion. Lastly, CHARD can also lower triglycerides. But before we continue, let us put you to the test. Can you identify the variety of CHARD in the photograph? It is a red CHARD, rainbow CHARD, fourth hook giant. Think about it carefully because at the end of the video you can check if you were right. How to take CHARD. CHARD is a versatile ingredient that can be prepared in many different ways. It can be consumed raw or cooked, but it's worth noting that cooking methods can affect its nutritional value. Raw consumption is ideal whenever possible. Boiling or steaming CHARD are commonly cooking methods, and the resulting broth can also be consumed. CHARD can also be used in a variety of dishes, such as salads, cakes, sauces, soups, and as a side for meat and fish. It can even be found in frozen and canned products. It's important to properly wash the leaves before consumption to remove any dirt or pathogens that may be present. An alternative way to consume CHARD is through food supplement capsules, which can be found in pharmacies and health food stores. Side effects. It's important to note that while CHARD is a nutritious food, like many others, it can have potential side effects and contraindications. In terms of side effects, CHARD's high fiber content may cause gastrointestinal problems, such as diarrhea, and it can also trigger allergies or intolerances, leading to rhinoconjunctivitis and asthma. Additionally, excessive consumption of CHARD may lead to the formation of kidney stones. Contraindications. Individuals who have certain medical conditions, such as those undergoing anticoagulant treatments, people with pre-existing kidney stones, or those with gastrointestinal issues, should consult their doctor before consuming CHARD to avoid any potential contraindication. It's also important to note that babies under 1 year of age should not consume CHARD. And going back to the question we asked you before, have you thought it through? The correct answer is A. It is a red CHARD. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you have tried CHARD or plan to do so, let us know in the comments. And until next time.